Hello guys, welcome to my channel, TILMAN Graphics. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to write on an image in Microsoft Word. So I will show you different ways of writing on an image on Microsoft Word. First of all, I'll come to this button, the Windows button. Then I will type Word. It will show me Word. This is Microsoft Word. I'll click on it. Let me maximize this. I will come to choose blank document. So when I choose the blank document, I want to insert different different pictures here. For me to insert, I can come to insert and then I come to pictures from this device. Then I can choose where my pictures are. I can choose this one. Then I press Control to choose the next one. I hold Control. Then I choose this one. So I'm choosing 3 images at a go. So I'll come to Insert. Now my images are inserted. I will do this to resize it. Click on it, then resize. Then I will click on, then come to send front of the text. I want to be in position to freely move it. Sorry, let me resize this one also. I'll come and resize it. I want it to have a reduced size. I will resize this. Let me move this a bit. This one. Let me arrange them in a way that, let me put this one here. Then I put this one here. Then let me add this, the size of this a bit. These are my 3 images. I'm going to use them to show you different ways of inserting uh, the text on an image. So here, for me to write on this image, let me remove one of this. Let me remove this and then I put this one here. So these are my images now. Let me shape this. Okay. So for me to write on this image, I will come to Insert, then come to Text Box, then come to Draw Text Box. Then I can draw a text box here. Okay. Then I can write my text. This is dangerous. This is dangerous accident. Okay. I can modify it. I can highlight it and then come to home and increase the font. Let me reduce it a bit. Okay. Or even like that. Then I come to center. Then I can bold it, change the font. I can change it to that, and then also I can change the color. I can change it to red. Then now uh, you see now the text box is still showing. So how can I remove it? I'll click on it, then come to shape format here, shape format, then I'll come to shape fill, then I say no fill, then I come to shape outline. Now shape outline will remove this outline. I'll come to shape outline, then I come and say no outline. So now our text is on the on this image. So now when I move the image, you see the text is not moving together with the image. So I need to group that. I'll click on the image, then press Control, then click on even the text. Okay? Now the two are selected. Then I'll right click on it, then come to, let me do that again. I will click on the text, then press Control, then click on the image, then the two are selected, then I right click. When I right click, then I come to group, and I say group. Or another shortcut is you can select, then you press Ctrl G. It can also group it. So now here, our image is now, when I want to move it, sorry, it is not grouped. Let me group it once more, repeat the procedure, then I come to group. Where is my icon group? Sorry. I come and click on that, then choose this, then right click, then come to group. I can say ungroup it. Then let me group it once more. Click on that, then click on this, then say group. Then I can group it. Now, if I'm moving my image, it is moving together with the text. That is how you can group that. Let me show you another way of uh, inserting or writing on an image. I'm going to write on this. I will come to insert, then come to here to insert word art. Okay, then I will choose the word art. Let me move it. Let me choose this. Sorry. Let me make it a small a bit. Let me make it that. I can move it like that. So this is dangerous. So now here I'm able to write on the image. But if I'm moving the image, you see the image is moving and the text is leaving the text behind. So I'm going to group this one also. I will click on this, then press Control, and then click on the image also. Then at the end of the day, you find like all of them are selected. Then I right click, then I come to group. So now when I want to move the image, it is going to move together with the text. So this is how we can write on the image and even group it. Thank you for watching. Please give a thumbs up if you found this video helpful, and remember to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. In case I post a new video, you can definitely get it. I sign out.